So I'm just feeling like an orange mustardy kind of eyeshadow look. That's what I'm finna do. I already did my eyebrows. I've been kind of inspired by like this gold thingy, and then I matched my shirt to match my hair. So I'm about to match my eyeshadow to match my shirt to match my hair. You get what I'm saying, It'll all work out. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe 35B palette. I'm feeling like this yellow, this orange. Yeah, I might do like some glitter on the inner corner. I don't know, I'm just feeling so positive today. Like the sun is out. Yeah. Well, first I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette and get some transition shades. So it's gonna be these two. And I already set my eyelids with foundation and the Airspun Translucent setting powder. It is now July 26th, I think. I don't know who's keeping up, but it's a Thursday. Feeling pretty good. So now I got the colors in my crease. Yeah, this is basically my room. It's not even done. It's just like a bed, a TV stand, nightstand. Yeah. I'm about to redo my whole room like very soon, like before the year is over basically. I'm gonna get a vanity, different dresser, rearrange some stuff, decorations, all that. So that's why it kind of looks kind of empty. So now I'm gonna just take this yellow. I've never even touched this yellow. I haven't touched most of these colors in this palette, so I don't even know if this yellow's good. Please be good, please be good. So yeah, ooh. I'm basically just gonna do like yellow and orange. Like yellow in the crease, orange on the lid. But I want to build the colors up. Yeah, you can't really see it. It's just a, you know, translucent shade. But yeah, I did these box braids myself. They're very, very long. I mean like, they're long. Like they come past my butt. So yeah, I have like this braiding thing, these like rings, and then just this. Yep, it took me about 2 days. I did film a tutorial on it. I just haven't posted it, haven't edited it, haven't done nothing really. So that'll probably be up, I don't know when. I'm just dipping back into that same yellow shade and we're just gonna build it up. Yeah, man, college starts very soon. Starts like August 13th, I think. Yeah, I'm just talking. I don't really know what to talk about. You can't even see this yellow on camera. I can barely even see it in person. But I'm just gonna keep building it up. I just feel so good today. Hair looking good, skin looking good, this makeup about to look good. And I took my nails off. And when I took it off, I messed up my nail. Like, ew. Is it gonna focus? Who knows? So I'm gonna wait until it grows back to put more acrylics back on. But now the yellow is finally showing back up. But if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me and add me on Snapchat. Like I haven't been posting recently because it ain't really been nothing to post. I haven't been going anywhere. All right, now I'm about to go into the orange shade. So hopefully this looks right. Hopefully it comes out how I'm expecting it to. Because if not, I don't know about this. This is like very, very orange. I don't know about this. I look like a freaking pumpkin. What the heck? It doesn't even match my shirt. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What did I do? I mean, I guess I can get with it. I can dig it. I can dig it. But it definitely does not match my shirt. Like what? So it doesn't even match my hair. Whatever. So now I'm just gonna take this MAC brush. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. So I'm really just gonna pat that on there. And then I'm gonna blend it out. So now I'm just gonna take this brush and like really just get into that orange. And then I'm gonna just put it on. So I just picked up a little more yellow. And I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna put this orange on top. So now I'm just gonna move on to the face. I'm running out of foundation, honestly. So I'm just gonna sharpen this. So now I'm just gonna take some primer. It's not even real primer, but it works. You just take some of this, rub it on your face, a little down your neck, forehead, nose, and then you just get to applying your foundation. So basically, I'm just gonna have to open this and put it on my face because I need to get some more. Oh well, call it dirty, but this foundation doesn't go on anybody else but me. Lately, I've been really into like applying foundation with a brush. I don't know, it just does something. So now I'm just gonna blend it out with a sponge. I literally have not done my makeup since like graduation. So I'm looking like, I done forgot what to do. Okay, the last time I did my makeup was graduation, then I haven't worn makeup, and then after that I did it for that fashion show thing. Then after that I have not worn like face makeup since. So if this comes out a little rough, you know why. I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit. What can I talk to y'all about? Life, it's been all right. I don't know what to talk about. I really don't know. Let me blend this out. So it didn't really do too much highlighting, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of creamy beige on top. I don't even know. So while this sits, I'm just gonna I'm gonna do my contour with dark cocoa. And with this, you really only need like a little bit. And I don't like to let my contour sit because if it sits too long, it'll just look rough and won't blend out right. Oh man, let me tell y'all. So if you don't know already, like nobody really knows, only except like 3 people. But I got a job and it's been rough. Like yesterday, it was so bad. It was just a bad day, man. And let me tell y'all what happened. Like, people are so rude. Like, people are so rude. And I cannot take it. I just cannot take it anymore. Like, I cannot take it. If you're rude, I don't like you. We're not friends. We'll never be friends. Like, why are you so rude? Like, so they put me on. So basically, they put me on the cash register, and I'm like, okay, cool. Like, better than being in the back, because in the back, you have nobody to talk to. So I'm like, cool. But man, people are so rude. Like, on the cash register, you know, you gotta put your phone number in and stuff so you can get discounts, you know, rewards, points. The more you spend, the closer you are to getting a discount. Like, who does not want a discount? Like, what you need all this information for? Like you asking me why you need all this information, but then you asking me, why the price so high, or do I have any discounts? How you gonna have any discounts if you don't give me your information? Then they be like, well, I don't really come back here often. Shut up. Like, it's just, it's so aggravating. Like, it's so aggravating. But you know, it's only temporary, only until, you know, I get my life together. You know, only until what I'm working towards, you know, pops off. But it's not too bad. Like, other than the customers, it's not too bad. If you're a rude person, what are you being rude for? Like, for what? Like, who pissed you off? Huh? Because then I'm going to be in the wrong if I be rude back. Like, I'm going to be in the wrong. When all you have to do, like, hi man, you know, how are you? Hi sir, hello, have a good day, da, da, da. Especially like when they're done, like paying and everything, they be mad that, you know, they ain't get no discounts or whatever. So they be walking around looking at their receipt like, oh, I'm all right, you know, have a good day. And they don't say nothing back. And I'm allowed, I'll be saying it loud enough so they can hear me. But no, they don't ever want to say it back. Like, goodness, okay. Don't come back then. Don't come back then. And literally, I'm probably being like over dramatic because it's like my first job, but still. For what though? But you know, I don't let these these strangers, these people I've never seen before, never met before, will probably never see again, affect my day, affect my mood, affect my life. No, you're not gonna stress me out. You are not gonna stress me out. Like, my skin, it's too pretty for all these bumps because these freaking strangers wanna come in my job all like rude. And you know, I can't even be mad because it's not my business. Like, I don't pay no bills in there. I don't choose the inventory. It's not my business. So they not mad at me. They mad at themselves. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm not gonna let these strangers, these one-timers, affect my peace, affect my happiness. I'm not gonna allow them to stress me out. And I feel like if you're watching this, like if you're still watching the video, you shouldn't allow little things to stress you out either. Because honey, we don't need no stress bumps. That's one thing I don't need. And I may not be making sense, but someone will be like here to hear with me. But tell me in the comments, like at this exact moment right now, like flip your screen, scroll down to the comments at this exact moment. Tell me how you're feeling. I just want to know, like, has your life so far been good? Has it been great? Has it been amazing? Or has it been bad? And if it's been bad, tell me why. Tell me, just talk to me, I want to know how y'all feeling. Like, let me know. Because whatever it is, it probably won't last forever depending on the situation. So, you know, if you're stressing about something, think 10 years from now. Will you even care? Like, literally, will you even care? Like, let's say, like, right now, you just broke up with your boyfriend or girlfriend. 10 years from now, will they still be in your life? Who knows, man? But if your life has been great, tell me why. You got accepted to the college you want to go to. You got the job you've been wanting. You got a house, apartment, a car. It could be anything, like the littlest things. Like, you just got paid, so you're happy. Let me know. Life is too short, man. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh! Look how low this one is. Look how high this one is. I'm not even gonna stress because I like this one better than this one. But if I was feeling this more than this, I would be so mad. But how's y'all life going? Like, I wanna know. Like, I mean, my life is okay. It's not perfect. It could be way better. But that's not what's really important. Like, I'm alive, I'm breathing, I have a roof over my head. I'm sitting here filming on a phone, an iPhone X at that. I got a bed, a TV, food in the refrigerator, you know? So if you in the same like space as me, whatever you're stressing about it, forget it. There's some people in the world that will wish to be in your shoes. And I know that sounds so cliche, but it's so serious. Like homeless people. I'm just talking. Like, I ain't even trying to sound like no like motivational speaker, but literally, if you're going through something, you'll be okay. So next subject. I'm really feeling these braids. So now I'm just gonna put on some blush, you know, the usual, set my face. Oh, this morning I woke up, I checked my YouTube. We're at 1,400 subscribers, man. Keep it going. Share these videos, rewatch it. Do what you gotta do. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even know, like, what the heck? Like, go subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't already. Make sure you click the notification bell so every time I post a video, it'll notify you. And when it notifies you, stop what you're doing and watch my video. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna give you a second to subscribe. All right, that's good enough. So yeah, I'm about to spray my face with the NYX matte finish. I was about to say something so stupid because it says matte finish and then it has it in Spanish underneath, but I was gonna say matte finish Finny matte. Like, what the heck? Oh, I forgot to contour my nose with the powder. Oh well, I don't care. I'm not, it's too late. So if you made it this far to the video, if you made it this far, make sure you subscribe. Like, and I really hope, you know, you enjoyed the video. Like, I know I was like kind of rambling, but I hope it kind of made sense. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really do Chit Take It Ready with me, so I only did like 2. If you like recreate this look or whatever, tag me in it. Terah Tiana on Instagram. 2 A's. I'm out, y'all. Peace.